All right, this is Saturday, fifth and final workout of the week. Now we got your competition style day. We got squat, bench, and deadlift, all right? And again, for all your major lifts, remember you're taking about a 3 to 5 minute break. There's no accessories today, but when you do have those accessories, you're taking a 1 to 2 minute break. So we only got one set for each exercise this time. So for our squat, bench, and deadlift, it's all the same this week. One working set, 6 reps, reps in reserve of 4. And again, you got warm-up sets to get you there, but if you don't get it right this first week, that's okay. You have plenty of time to figure out your reps in reserve. But again, just one set of 6, reps in reserve of 4. Let's finish this week strong.